Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell AirPods on StockX. First, go to StockX.com, click Sign Up in the top right corner, and register using your email or Google account. Use the search bar, type AirPods, press Enter, and select the exact model you have. After selecting your AirPods model, click Sell Now. You'll see suggested prices. Choose one or enter your own. The payout amount will show at the bottom. Choose how long you want your listing to stay active for potential buyers to bid. Enter your address, return address, and preferred payment method to receive your payout. And that's it. That's how to sell AirPods on StockX. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.